Ready.
Good afternoon, everybody. Welcome to Patience's channel, Mrs. Wright and Mr. Wright. Now, Patience has got a nice little present today for her wedding anniversary. She's got a new Canon camera, which I'm opening up now. I'm just opening the box very gently. We'll just put rid of this in the bin. Fill it up so I have to empty it later. And there we go. We've got a new Canon camera, which I'm just going to undo the box now, very carefully. Not that easy. There we go. And then we're going to take it out of the box. And it's a Canon.
Can you show the box then?
It's a Canon EOS M50 Mark II. Looks quite a good one, actually. My hands don't work very well, I'm afraid. Right, we're going to open it up and have a look inside. It's got the manual with it.
Wow.
It's like a book. And then bleed through it. And then, thanks for choosing Canon. Get started straight away. It's got a code on here.
Okay.
And then we've got inside, we've got the camera. So we put that back in the box. I'm gonna.
There's nothing else to come with this.
There's other stuff in the box.
Okay.
We're just gonna have a look at this camera.
Wow.
We're gonna put it here for a minute so we can. Of course, heavy. There we go. Picture the camera. It's quite smart. And it's got this bit at the back there, which undoes like that. It's got a screen on it. So we'll shut that back up. Put that down there for a minute. We'll see what else we've got in the box. This must be
Charger.
something the other with it.
Oh, lens something.
Oh, this is a lens cap. We'll get this out gently. And that fits on this camera. That's to protect it. That's another lens cap. So you've got that there. And then you've got this, which is the strap for it. This here must be the... I should imagine it's the battery. I'm not sure. Then you've got some more wires with it.
Plug.
Electric plug to plug it into. Something else here, which I'm not quite sure what that is. We'll have a look. Let's get it out. Oh, this must be the charger. The charger for it. So put that gently back in the bag.
So the tripod is coming separately.
That's it. Now we've got an empty box.
Okay, let me show the. What is the name of the camera?
The camera is that one. It's the ESO M50 Mark II Canon, which is probably the best camera you can get. So what we're going to do now, we're going to put that there. And then we've got a code here, which I don't know. My wife will have to work that one out. I'll put that back in there.
That's amazing. So our wedding anniversary gift is
so this must fit on there somehow. Not sure how to do it yet.
They have to
we'll have to work that out.
Yeah.
Looks very good. Looks nice, camera.
Thank you for watching. So we're going to see how it goes.
Should we put it back in the box?
Yeah.